video, we're going through an aesthetic journey through spacious and sumptuously designed living rooms that perfectly marry luxury with open concept living. As we venture into each room, you'll notice the airy expansiveness that defines these living rooms. With their generous dimensions, these living rooms offer an expansive canvas for the interplay of light and texture. Central to this dance of design is the color scheme, soothing light grays and off-whites that provide a serene base. These calming hues are boldly contrasted by the striking presence of dark, almost black glossy wall cladding panels that flank the TV wall. The glass's reflective quality doesn't just amplify the space's glamour. It adds a dynamic visual element that elevates the room's chic quotient. Take a moment to appreciate the interplay of matte and shine as we pan across the room. The glossy surfaces interact with the soft, diffused light, creating an ambiance that's both dramatic and inviting. Brass metal trimming adorning select pieces of furniture casts a warm, golden glow, enhancing the luxurious atmosphere. Let your eyes settle on the furniture. It's nothing short of modern art. The sofas and armchairs we're showcasing aren't just seating, they're high-end statements of modernity. Their sleek lines and refined forms speak volumes of the craftsmanship that goes into luxury design, coupled with their comfort. These pieces ensure that style and relaxation are in no way mutually exclusive. As we explore these living rooms, each detail contributes to the sense of expansive elegance. From the spacious layout to the opulent finishes, these rooms don't just invite you in, they encourage you to stay, relax, and soak in the grandeur. Remember to like, subscribe, and activate notifications so you won't miss any of our future design explorations.